Now, if your car insurance is up for renewal soon, be prepared for a shock. The cost of premiums has soared by a fifth in just 12 months, thanks to the recession and an increase in fraud. Sky's David Crabtree explains.
Andy Morris and Sean Wilkinson, both 18-year-old students, represent expensive profiles when it comes to car insurance. Andy's 14-year-old Citroën Saxo is only worth half the £1,200 a year insurance, which he pays with the help of his parents.
I have to borrow the money off my parents to pay them back because obviously I can't afford it all. I think it's not really fair, to be honest, because we're the ones who have the least amount of money and we've got to pay the most for it.
And parental help is the only way Sean can take to the road.
Most people start learning when they're at school or just gone into a job, so don't know how they expect us to pay for all the high costs. Plus, I think they discriminate a bit too much against teenagers, especially boys as well.
The independent market research firm Consumer Intelligence say motorists have suffered the largest ever annual increase in car insurance premiums, and young motorists bore the brunt. The increase in premiums from January to December last year for 17 to 24-year-olds was close on 25%, from £1,275.60 to £1,489.44. Overall, the average insurance premium climbed almost 20% in 12 months, according to the survey.
Consumers have had it really good for a long period of time. You can get 100 quotes for car insurance in minutes through price comparison sites. But the cost of uninsured motorists, the cost of motor insurance fraud, and also the overall cost of just running an insurance business has been going up and up and up, and that's now feeding through into the market.
Consumer Intelligence reflects the concerns that more motorists may choose not to insure their vehicles and drive illegally, or feel they can no longer afford to run a car at all. There is some better news within this latest research. It suggests that if you shop around, you could reduce your premiums by up to 35%. The statistics indicate that men are still seen as the biggest risk, with the difference in premiums between men and women widening to almost 13%. David Crabtree, Sky News, Worcestershire.